Hi DIYers, Joe from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to learn how to enroll a touchscreen keypad to a Simon XTi or XTi-5. Now today I have the 60924 RFTS touchscreen keypad. These are super convenient to use. They're fully compatible with both these panels, and you can also use them on a Simon XT if you have one of those installed. The keypad's interface is exactly the same as the system. So out of the box, this is going to look real familiar to you if you do have a Simon system, and it's going to be really easy to pick up and start using. The keypad's convenient as you can arm and disarm the system with it. You can also control any locks that are programmed into the system, or you can turn lights on or off. It has just that basic functionality for you to interact. You can't get into programming on the keypad, so if you do want to do any system programming, you will have to do it from the panel itself. But that's not really uncommon when it comes to wireless keypads. The keypad also has 3 or 4 AAA batteries that can be installed right in the back. That'll give it backup power. You plug it in with your 12-volt transformer that comes with the unit. As you can see right here, this is the RF antenna for the keypad. When you mount this on the wall, you're going to want to cut a hole big enough that you can slip this and have it go straight down or straight into the wall in some direction. The straighter that you can get it, the better signal strength that you're going to get for this thing to communicate back to your system. If you have to jam it in there, or if you have to kind of shape it to get it to work, if your wall won't let you have it extended completely, it may work. It's worth a shot. But if you do have communication issues with the keypad to the system, checking your installation area to see if the antenna itself is jammed up is a great place to start troubleshooting. Now, enrolling the keypad is super easy to do. Each of these systems can support 4 of these at the same time. And as you can see, the Simon XTi and the XTi-5, they have exactly the same user interface. The only difference between these two panels is that the XTi-5 has a larger screen. So we're going to show you how to program on this one because it's a little easier for you to see. But if you do have an XTi installed at home, it's going to be the same exact process to get this keypad programmed to the system. All you have to do is go into zone programming and learn it in like any other security sensor to the panel. The keypad, the group that you're going to want to use for it, you can use a variety of them. They're all going to do the same thing. They're groups 00, 01, 04, 05, 06, or 07. You can program any of those numbers for the keypad when you do learn it in, and it will work just fine for you. So on the system itself, we're going to hit the gear, and then we're going to press the down arrow to get to programming right here and click enter. And then as we have everything defaulted on the panel, it's 4321 for our installer code. So we're going to, and as you can see, if you leave the system sitting for too long, it's going to back you out to the main screen. So when you do go to enroll the keypad, make sure that you kind of know what you're going to do, or you have everything ready, because if you keep waiting in programming, it's going to keep backing you out, and you're probably going to get frustrated. So let's try again. So we do the gear, we press the down arrow, down, down, programming. 4, 3, 2, 1. OK. So now from this menu, you're going to see there's touchpad options. These have to do with the touchscreen keypad, but they won't do anything until you have it learned into the system. And it's an easy place to get stuck on, because you might jump into programming and be like, why isn't there anything here for me to learn the keypad in? Where you actually have to go is sensors, and then learn sensors, or learn sensor. Now the system's in learn mode, and it's waiting for a sensor to be learned in. Now on the keypad, I'll pick it up right here. We're going to hit the gear in the bottom corner, and now we're in the keypad menu. As you can see, it looks very, very similar to the actual system. If you look in the installation manual, you're going to see that it says click a button that says clear and enroll. It's very, very easy to get it confused with this clear button here. This clear button clears the panel status, and this isn't the button that you use to enroll the keypad. Where you actually have to go is hit the down arrow, down, down, keep going down. Here's the clear and enroll button. Clicking this should learn it into our panel, so let's give it a shot. I'm going to click the button, and as you can see, the keypad says status waiting for enrollment, and on our panel, we have the information for initially programming the keypad. So I don't have any other zones programmed on the system. So as you can see, it's on zone number 1, and the sensor group is right here. This is the thing that I was telling you about before. We're going to want to edit this because this is 10, and and we're going to want to set it to 0, 1. Save. And then the sensor name, as you can see, it's filling in as front door. That wouldn't be very helpful. So I'm going to click Edit, and I'm going to click the front door. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of different options that you have on here. If you go down, I'm just going to use the one that says touchpad. Right there. You just click it. As you can see, touchpad fills in up here. We're going to click Save, and we're good. So we click Close. It's the first sensor. It's on sensor group 1, which will work for the keypad, and the sensor name is touchpad. So we're going to click Save, and now it's processing the request. On your keypad, you're going to see that the enrollment status is changing. It says receiving data, please await, and it has a percentage that's going to tell you how far along the process it is. As soon as this gets to 100%, it should be enrolled into the system, and you should be able to start using it. Just let us know that it's all set. As you can see, it says success, and we're at 100%. So on the system, we can back out of the learn mode. And then on our keypad, we can back out to the home. And as you can see, it's now showing exactly the same menu as the system. So if I go to arm it, and I do arm all or arm away, as you can see, the system's arming away. We have our timer countdown on the keypad, and it's working as expected. So I'm going to disarm it. If I can remember the code. And that's all set. So if you do have Simon panels, the XT or the XTi-5, even the regular XTi, pardon me, if you have the XTi, the XTi-5, or the XT, this keypad will work just fine for you. It's great to use, super convenient, and easily programs in. That's how to learn in a touchscreen keypad to your Simon panel. If you did enjoy the video or have any questions about alarm system in general, feel free to head over to our website, alarmgrid.com. Give us a call at 888-818-7728, or send your question or request to support@alarmgrid.com. Did you like the video? Feel free to subscribe. If you want to be updated when we post future videos, click the notification button below, and we'll send you an update when we do so. And have a great day.